Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some very nice conditions out there this morning with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies across the region. You'll see temperatures warming into the mid-70s today with fairly light winds. And we'll see drier conditions today as well with dew points down in the 50s. Looking at our conditions the last 24 hours across the Mid-Atlantic region, we had a unseasonably warm day yesterday, more of a typical midsummer time type temperature regime with temperatures in the lower 90s at Baltimore, Pax River, and Norfolk, all at 91 degrees. Here at Wallops, we're at 88 degrees, and most locations in the upper 80s to lower 90s yesterday. Saw a cold front move through the region yesterday evening into the overnight hours, and that allowed for us to see some cooler overnight temperatures compared to the high temperatures. Over at 60 degrees. Here at Wallops, we were a bit warmer at 68. Those locations in the lower to mid 60s last night. Past 24 hours, with that cold front that moved through yesterday, we saw some precipitation across the area. Ocean City had 1,600, Salisbury 800. Here at Wallops, we had a trace. Most locations seeing anywhere from a trace to about 1,500ths of an inch of rain. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures anywhere from the lower 60s to the lower 70s. Warmer locations across the south or southern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Here at Wallops, we are 70 degrees under sunny skies. Looking at our sounding from this morning, we have a freezing level at 14,500 feet. Winds out of the north in the low levels at 21 knots at 1,000 feet, then becoming northwesterly. And then in the mid-levels, we see more of a southwesterly to westerly wind, seeing a peak wind this morning at 9,000 feet. Out of the west-southwest at 41 knots, and we see our winds becoming more northwesterly in the upper levels, and seeing a 36-knot wind at 25,000 feet this morning. Looking at our 12Z surface analysis, we have this cold front that moved through yesterday to the south of the region, an area of high pressure over the Great Lakes starting to build into the region. That's going to provide us with really nice spring weather for today and tomorrow before we see a slight warm-up for Thursday. Looking at our current conditions across the region, we see temperatures in the lower 70s, winds slightly gusty this morning. We'll see those winds gusting possibly up to about 21 knots this morning, and then slightly lighter for the afternoon hours, but overall a nice day across the region with just some building upper level cirrus across the region. Looking at our probe charts in the next few days, we'll see our midday planner for today. We have high pressure building into the region. Tonight we'll see temperatures slightly cooler than we saw last night. See temperatures in the mid 50s across the region, even possibility of seeing some lower 50s inland locations of the Delmarva Peninsula tonight. And then looking into our Wednesday AM planner, high pressure in control, very nice conditions overall. And then Wednesday afternoon, we'll see that area high pressure start to move off the coast, and that's going to allow for us to see more onshore flow tomorrow afternoon, as well as slightly cooler temperatures by about a degree or two compared to today. And then we'll see a warm up for Thursday as we'll have this area high pressure move off the coast, as well as we'll have a cold front moving through for late Thursday. This model chart brings it through a little bit too quick. And see that cold front starting to approach the region during the late evening hours on Thursday, and it could provide us with some showers and thunderstorms. Looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have a green chart across the board, no chance of precipitation or lightning, temperatures in the mid-70s for highs, and we'll see the mid-50s for the overnight lows tonight. Our winds will be out of the north-northwest and northwest this morning, and then for the afternoon hours, we'll just see a northwesterly wind 8 to 13 knots, and possibly gusting up to 18 knots. Winds will be light out of the north tonight at 5 to 10 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see VFR conditions throughout today with just the increase of upper level cirrus cloudiness for the afternoon hours into the overnight time period. Our tides are currently normal, and Wednesday into Thursday, Wednesday will be mostly sunny to partly cloudy and pleasant. A high of 72 degrees Wednesday night, partly to mostly cloudy and comfortable, a low of 60. And for Thursday, we'll see mostly cloudy skies with slight chance of a rain shower in the morning, then partly cloudy with a slight chance of an evening shower or thunderstorm. Slightly breezy with a high of 78 degrees, and we'll have a yellow for about 20% chance of precipitation and lightning on Thursday. Looking at our next 7 days, we'll have 75 degrees today, 72 tomorrow, lower humidity values, very pleasant conditions for our Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday, we'll see that southerly flow increase across our region. That'll raise our dew points or humidity levels to be a little bit more humid, and with the cold front approaching for the evening hours, possibility of showers and thunderstorms. Friday will be slightly warmer, once again with temperatures in the lower 80s south to southwesterly flow across, northwesterly flow across the region behind that cold front. And then Saturday into Sunday, we'll have a ridge starting to build over the southeast states, and that's going to allow for some disturbances to try to move into our region over top that ridge. Still uncertain weather pattern for Saturday and Sunday, whether those disturbances will have enough energy and moisture to provide us some showers and thunderstorms. Looks like the best chance would be Sunday evening, after we have a warm day on Sunday, 87 degrees. And then looking for Monday or Memorial Day, looking like we'll see 80 degrees, lower humidity values with northwesterly winds, so a very nice day to complete the holiday weekend. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing. Hope everybody has a great day. Back tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.